of the second ODI. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Hitting it on the up tells you how good this pitch is. And that's a boundary.
Yeah, big shot. Gone all the way. That's his strength.
Man behind square leg, but he flicked it, picked his gap. Take another look. Going with the angle, working it off his off stump. Strong wrists.
Makes room, it's a half hit. And a 4 for Fakhr.
This time gets it through and it'll be 4.
Huge appeal. Bowler's very interested. The ball has spun back sharply and he's gone for it.
Ball tracker coming up now, Michael. Ball pitching outside off. Impact is in line. And wickets hitting. Michael, you'll have to reverse your decision. I'll tell you when you're on screen. You're on screen now, Michael. Reverse your decision to out.
Beautifully bowled. And it's the settled Imam who's been dismissed. Went back. 73 for the loss of 1. Imam goes after scoring 31. Fresh at the crease is Babar Azam. Yeah, hits it extremely well. Front foot pull shot and a boundary. Short ball, that's gone for 6. Smashed. Beats the infield for 4.
Yeah.
50 for Fakhr. Yeah, a lot of relief for him, definitely. Struggling for runs, struggling for form. First game in this series for him, and he's got a 50. Slice and taken at mid-off. That's a very good catch.
It's the googly again, just going away from Fakhr. Fakhr trying to hit this over long off. Mid-off in the circle. He wanted that boundary option, a good catch. But the leg spinner again providing the breakthrough, this time with the googly. Fakhr out for 54, 104 for 2.
Driven straight, what a shot that is. Magnificent shot. Pitched up and straight past the bowler. Timing was magnificent, so was the placement. Handsome, really good looking shot, and it's 4. And it's a half century for Babar Azam, and it's come from 55 balls. Stylish half century for Babar Azam. It's gone big. Oh, what a handsome shot. It's 6.
And Babar Azam hits that away. Will it go all the way? You bet it will.
His timing is spot on today, Babar Azam.
Chance at the non-strikers and he's gone. He's got to go. Yeah, I think he's out. Massive miscommunication between the two, and it's the left-hander who suffered.
Look at the confusion here. He's past the no-return point for sure. And the wicketkeeper had the presence of mind to just lob it to the non-striker's end, but Sri Lanka needs wickets. And wicket number 3 is gone. It's Haris Sohail, run out for 40. It's 215 for 3.
found the gap, will find the fence, and that is 100 for Babar Azam. He'll raise his bat. What a knock, what a player. 11th ODI ton for him. Third in last 5 innings versus Sri Lanka.
Well, I can tell you that his celebration is very similar to the way he bats. Took his time even with his celebration. There was no excitement, didn't run around and throw his bat and keep jumping up and down. But he just took his time, took the helmet out and just celebrated so much like the way he batted. But very well played indeed, outstanding 100.
Yeah, he's a sweet timer of the ball. Most hundreds in first 73 ODIs. At par with Hashim Amla, 11, Quinton de Kock, 11, and now Babar Azam. 11 in 73 ODIs. That's hell of a record. Chance at the non-strikers, and I think he's gonna. Done and dusted as Pakistan's skipper.
Elairu Tirimana at short extra cover, hits the bullseye. Desperate times for Pakistan, looking for runs here, and he was nowhere close. And needed a direct hit. There wasn't anybody close to that stump, so Safras goes run out. And it is 242 for 4.
Oh, he's picked this up nicely. Goodness me, that's a good hit. Babar Azam with a flick of the wrists.
A Yorker, that was the idea. He waited for it, and then just good wrist work there towards mid-on and mid-wicket. Look at this, picked up his gap as well. Big shot.
It's gone straight up in the air. Who wants it? Man underneath it. And takes a good catch. That's Hasaranga takes the catch.
He was looking towards to play towards mid-wicket, got the top edge. He was struggling, I think. He was a bit tired. He was getting cramps as well. Good catch in the end. He departs for 115. Pakistan 261 for 5 now.
Oh, has he caught hold of this? Has he got all of this? Yes, he has. Slower ball. Oh, that's gone up. It's gone up. Has he got the legs? It has. And that 6 brings up the 300. It's another big blow from Iftikhar. Yorker. And somehow dug out for a couple. It should just be 2, but they're going to try for his 3rd. It's going to be a run out. So Wahab runs himself out, and Pakistan finish with 305 on the board, and some important runs there from Iftikhar at the end. Wahab was miles out of his crease. He's run out by a day and a half. So there you go. Pakistan finishing 305 for 7 from their 50 overs, with Iftikhar 32 from 20 balls, not out at the end. And those were important runs that would have hurt Tirimane and his young Sri Lankans, but they've done well.
Oh, off to a smooth, silky start. That is such a good way to begin the innings and put pressure on Mohammad Amir and co. Beautifully played. Used the angle really nicely. That'll do very nicely for Shinwari and Pakistan.
Just going across, maybe just nip back in, inside edge onto the leg stump. Was angle across and pitch, maybe straightened back into the right-hander. Terrific delivery. Samara Vikrama castled for 6. It's 18 for 1 after 4.
Out, gone, undone by a slow ball. Brainy stuff from Mohammad Amir.
Gunatilaka thought that it's a normal delivery, just drive through the line. Never arrived. Never picked it, never arrived. Imad accepts. Amir outdoes him with a great bit of skill. Kunadaleka out for 14. It's 22 for 2.
Catch it is the call, and catch it is. Shinwari strikes again, and unfortunately for Sri Lanka, the little gem Avishka Fernando is on the way back.
Again, a simple chip to the man at mid-off. Farkas Rahman, the fielder. And Sri Lanka lose their third wicket. Fernando goes without scoring. It's 22 for 3.
Oh, has he got an inside edge? Has he got it? They're all gone up. Michael Goff, the umpire, is saying he wants to know whether the ball carried for the catch.
Yeah, I think that's the question. There was a definite edge, no doubt. The question is, did it carry? Well, that's what they're discussing. I'm going to refer it to the third umpire. Let's see what the soft signal is. I think the soft signal is out. Yeah, that's what he says. So the question now is to find out whether it carried or not.
The ball is a long way from his body. That's out. That is completely out. Gone into the gloves. Sarfraz takes a good catch. And Hiru Tiramane is already walking back. Well, Tiramane is 3/4 of the way back, and he'll look back over his shoulder and see the out. The Sri Lankan captain's on the way back, and Shinwari's got his third wicket. The Sri Lankan captain has gone for naught, and Sri Lanka all over the place. 22 for 4. Oh, that's close, very close. Finger goes up. Imad Wasim has struck.
Well, he's reviewed it. Unless there's an inside edge, I can't see Oshada Fernando being saved of this, but let's see.
Coming up now shows our ball pitching outside off. Impact is in line and wickets hitting. So you'll be staying with your original decision. Can you put Shozab on screen, please? You're on screen now. Stay with your original decision of out.
So Oshada Fernando goes. He hasn't really bothered the scorers too much. Just one. Sri Lanka now, half of the side gone for 28.
Nicely played. Might get a couple here. In fact, he'll get 4. Nicely played by Jayasuriya. Oh, he's gone aerial. It's a fine shot for 6. Effortless.
It's a fantastic piece of timing. Beautifully balanced.
Well, that's been hit very hard. And it's going to go for 4. He's gone straight over the bowler's head for a really fine hit for 6. Fraction short. What a good shot that is for 6.
Shinwari just a little short, and that's been toinked over mid-wicket, very straight. He had so much time that he actually hit it to a very straight mid-wicket over the fence.
Runs behind point. That's the 100 partnership. Might be Jayasuriya's 50 as well. I think it is a boundary. The third umpire would want to take a look because Imad Wasim, I got the feeling, was over the line as he touched the ball. Yes, that's his 50. Very well played indeed. Another look. This is Nawaz again. Yeah, he's touching it. Well, I think he's got rid of the ball.
Looks good. Looks really good effort by. He's a very good fielder, Nawaz. Let's have a look. It's a better angle, better picture. He's good here. I think he's okay.
And that's his 50. short and wide. Dasun Shanaka reaches his 50. What a fine innings. It's been a fighting knock.
Big shot. Fantastic hit. He's not getting the ball to turn a lot, so in his arc, and helped himself with that massive straight drive. Oh, easily done. He's put it into the gap for a 4. This is excellent piece of batting. Edge and taken, I think, is out. Caught behind. Shinwari does it again.
Shinwari strikes again. He's trying to run this down to third man. Just a little edge. Carries through to Sarfraz. Shinwari has his 4th important wicket. But end of an outstanding innings from Shahan Jayasuriya. 96 of 109. It's 205 for 6.
Up in the air, takes it, sprawling on the floor.
At the bottom of the bat, ball didn't bounce that much. Thus, the power wasn't lacking in the shot. Fakhar Zaman diving forward. You expect him to take those. Did it comfortably. Another one of Sri Lanka's heroes today. Shanaka departs out for 68, 205 for 7.
Slower ball, he's got the edge, yes, he's gone. That's his 5th wicket. He's taken 5 wickets again against Sri Lanka. And Usman Shinwari, this has been a wholehearted effort from the left-arm pace bowler.
Slow ball, very well disguised, got the edge, easy catch by the skipper behind the stumps, and Sri Lanka loses his 8th wicket and 5th in the game for Usman Shinwari. That's his 2nd 5-wicket haul in ODIs. What a performance. Udana departs for 1, Sri Lanka 211 for 8.
That's a good looking shot. That's a very good shot from Hasaranga for 6.
Unbelievable.
It's gone after him again. This time the bottom hand comes into it, and it's 6 more. Ooh, has that got him? Yes, it has. He went nowhere.
He's got his wicket finally, Wahab Riaz, short of a length delivery. He had no idea. He was hoping for the short delivery, but clever bowling by experienced Wahab Riaz. Kumara departs for 1, Sri Lanka 232 for 9.
Not sure how well he's caught this. No, he hasn't, but the field has caught it, and that is a wicket. Iftikhar taking the catch, and Shadab gets a little bit of balm for the punishment he's been taking. And that's the end of it. Sri Lanka 238 all out. Pakistan have won this 2nd one-day international here in Karachi.